I'm Dr. B from Explore Holistic, and today we're going to make a natural deodorant, which you're going to love because it's economic, it's easy, and it's effective. You can ask my sons. So you're going to need a few things, and they should all be organic. First thing is you're going to have some organic arrowroot, organic, or if you can find it, baking soda, and some organic unrefined coconut oil, and some essential oils for some scent. It's so easy. Now what I like to do is I take a mesh screen, or you can use a strainer, and I like to put the arrowroot and also the baking soda through this mesh screen so that it's not lumpy. Nobody likes anything lumpy. And we're going to just do that like this. You can see, well, you really can't see, but it is going through the mesh, and it all mixed together. Then you just add your coconut oil, half a cup, and this is your unrefined, raw, organic coconut oil, and you're going to mix that in with the powder. So after about 5 minutes of mixing, you're going to have a nice smooth mixture. And what I like to do is put some essential oils for the scent. So I have here 3 that I can mix and match or just use. We have tea tree oil, which is really good for antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, a few drops of the tea tree oil. And then there's bergamot, I think I have, and cedarwood, and these have a nice fresh scent to it. You can put in a few drops of each of those, maybe 4 or 5 drops. Okay, and I should tell you that if you're sensitive to the baking soda, use less baking soda, more arrowroot. Baking soda is really good for odor, and the arrowroot is really good for skin and also for your dryness. Now I want to tell you that this can change consistency with the weather. If it gets hot, it's going to be oily, and if it gets cold, it may be too hard for you to even get into your armpits. So if that happens, and when you're in a warm climate, keep it in a cool cupboard or even in the refrigerator. And if it's too hard, you can put it next to your shower where the steam is. So you'll get used to what you need to do, but you only need about a pea-sized amount to be able to put under your armpits, and it's effective all day long, no odor. You still might sweat, but sweating's good for you. Gets rid of toxins. So after you've mixed through the essential oils, then you're just ready to put it into a jar, and you're done. Please see our other videos on deodorants and how store-bought has chemicals that can be harmful to you. And make sure to like us, thumbs up, subscribe, be well.